Welcome back to English Audio Lab, the place where your ears and your voice get a workout at the same time. I'm Maya.
And I'm Derek. And guys, I have to share something embarrassing that happened to me this morning.
Oh, I love embarrassing stories. Go ahead.
So I was getting ready for work, standing in the shower, shampooing my hair, and I was just narrating out loud. Now I am rinsing the shampoo. The water is warm. I feel relaxed.
A shower commentary. You were doing a full shower commentary?
My roommate knocked on the door and asked if I was on a phone call.
Okay, but Derek, what you did, that was genuinely brilliant. You were training your English without even realizing it.
That's what I told my roommate. He was not impressed.
Well, here at English Audio Lab, we are very impressed. And that little shower moment, it's actually the heart of everything we're talking about today.
Perfect accidental lesson.
The best kind. So today's topic. So many learners come to us and say the same three things. No time, no partner, no opportunity to speak.
And those feel like real walls, right? Like you genuinely cannot move forward.
They feel real, but today we're going to walk through all three of them together and show you a 15-minute daily plan that removes every single excuse.
No classroom, no tutor, no expensive app.
Just your voice, a little structure, and one important ingredient: commitment. And let's explain that word right now for our English Audio Lab listeners. Commitment means you make a promise to yourself and you keep it. Not just once, not just when you're motivated, regularly, even when life gets busy.
Like a gym membership you actually use.
Exactly that. Okay, quick favor before we start.
If English Audio Lab has helped your listening or your speaking even a little bit,
please hit subscribe, leave us a comment, and share this episode with one friend who's learning English.
One friend, that's it. It makes a huge difference for our little lab here.
All right, into the lab we go. Strategy number 1.
Is it the shower thing?
It's the shower thing. We call it live commentary. You become the commentator of your own life.
Like a sports commentator, but the sport is my morning routine.
Exactly. A sports commentator never goes silent. They describe everything in real time. He picks up the ball. He turns left. He passes to number 7. You do the same for your day. I open the fridge. I take out the orange juice. I pour it slowly into the glass.
Simple present tense. What is happening right now?
You've got it. And the non-negotiable rule here, out loud. Not in your head, out loud. Because speaking is a physical skill. It uses your lungs, your tongue, your lips, your jaw. Think about a pianist. They don't just think about music. Their fingers move every single day. Your mouth needs the same kind of daily movement.
Face push-ups.
I'm going to let that be the official English Audio Lab term for it. Face push-ups. Start with just 2 to 3 minutes while you cook, while you commute, while you get dressed. 0 audience required.
Just me and my commentary.
Strategy 1, live commentary. Narrate your life out loud every day.
Strategy 2?
Strategy 2 is called voice journaling. Every day you pick one simple question and you answer it out loud, and you record yourself on your phone.
What kind of questions?
Everyday conversation questions. What did I do today? What's my favorite food and why? If I had a free day tomorrow, what would I do? Those sound like questions a friend asks at dinner. That's exactly the point. Not exam questions, not grammar exercises, real human questions. You press record, you talk for 1 to 2 minutes, and then, here's the important part, you play it back.
Playing it back sounds uncomfortable.
It is, at first. Most people feel very self-conscious when they hear their own voice. Self-conscious, that's our vocabulary word here. It means you feel overly aware of yourself, a little nervous about how you come across to others.
Very relatable. I always think my voice sounds strange in recordings.
Everyone does. But after you get past that feeling, something shifts. You stop being self-conscious and you start being analytical. Analytical means you examine something carefully, the way a scientist studies data. You listen back and think, I paused too much there. That pronunciation was off. My sentences were too short.
You become your own coach.
The best coach, always available, never judges you, works for free. That's the English Audio Lab spirit right there.
Strategy 2. Voice journaling. One question, record it, listen back, coach yourself.
Strategy 3 is one I personally love. It's called English reaction.
What does that mean exactly?
Whatever you're already watching, a YouTube video, a cooking show, a movie clip, a sports highlight, you react to it out loud in English, like those reaction videos online.
Oh, people love those. Someone just watches something and says exactly what they're thinking.
Yes, so you're watching a travel video and you say, oh wow, that beach looks incredible. I would love to go there someday. I wonder how expensive the flights are. Totally natural, totally spontaneous.
And I'm not preparing anything. I'm just responding to what I see.
That spontaneous response, that's the whole goal. Because in real life, in real conversations, you don't get preparation time. You react. This trains your brain to produce English quickly, without doing a translation in your head first.
The translation habit. That slows everyone down, right?
It's one of the biggest barriers for learners. They think in their first language, translate to English, then speak. By that time, the moment has passed. Reacting to videos, even just 3 minutes a day, chips away at that habit.
So I'm rewiring my brain, not just practicing words.
Beautifully said. That's exactly what's happening inside the English Audio Lab.
Strategy 3. English reaction. Watch something, respond to it out loud, rewire your brain. What's strategy 4?
Strategy 4 is called repeat and twist. You find one sentence from anywhere, a podcast, a show, a video. You repeat it, and then you twist it to make it yours.
What does twisting look like?
Let's say you hear, I really enjoy cooking on weekends. You repeat it, I really enjoy cooking on weekends. Then you twist, I really enjoy sleeping on weekends. Or I really enjoy watching football on weekends.
I take the structure and swap out the words.
You're borrowing the pattern. Pattern, great vocabulary word. A pattern is a structure that repeats and can be reused, like a recipe. The recipe stays the same, you just change the ingredients.
I'm thinking about, that's a pattern.
Yes, I'm thinking about changing my job. Twist it. I'm thinking about learning the guitar. Same pattern, different life.
This feels less like studying and more like playing.
That's exactly how it should feel. And what this builds over time is fluency. Fluency means speaking smoothly and naturally without long, awkward pauses or getting stuck mid-sentence. Fluency doesn't come from memorizing hundreds of new words. It comes from owning the patterns you already know.
Owning your patterns. I like that.
Make them yours. Twist them. Use them in 10 different ways until they're automatic.
Strategy 4. Repeat and twist. Borrow a pattern, personalize it, build fluency.
Strategy 5 holds everything together. We call it the daily window.
A window of time?
Exactly. You choose one specific 15-minute slot in your day, same time, same place, and that window belongs entirely to English speaking practice, every day.
15 minutes sounds so manageable.
Let's do the math. 15 minutes a day, 7 days a week, that's 1 hour and 45 minutes of speaking practice every week. And most learners, 0 minutes a week.
0 to almost 2 hours. That is not a small jump.
And the secret ingredient isn't the 15 minutes, it's the consistency. Consistency. This is one of the most important words in any kind of learning. It means doing something regularly without big gaps. Not 4 hours on a Sunday and nothing all week. A little every day.
Like watering a plant. A huge bucket once a month won't save it. A little water every day keeps it alive.
That is a perfect analogy. Analogy, it means a comparison you use to explain something, and yours is a great one for consistency.
I didn't even plan that.
The best analogies never are. So, inside your 15-minute daily window, you rotate through everything we've covered. 3 minutes of live commentary, 3 minutes of voice journaling, 3 minutes of English reaction, 3 minutes of repeat and twist, 3 minutes of completely free talking, no rules, just you speaking.
That's a full speaking workout in the time it takes to drink a cup of coffee.
Your English Audio Lab session. And here's what happens after 2 weeks of doing this. It stops feeling like a task. It becomes part of your day, like brushing your teeth or making breakfast.
A routine, something you just do without thinking.
And routines don't need motivation. That's the whole point. So many learners wait to feel ready. They wait for motivation to show up. But motivation is unreliable. It comes and goes depending on your mood, your energy, your day.
Discipline is more dependable.
Discipline, doing what needs to be done regardless of how you feel. Discipline is a guest, lives in your house.
Discipline is a guest. Discipline lives in your house. That one's going on my wall.
Strategy 5, the daily window. 15 minutes, same time, every day. Consistency beats intensity, always.
Recap time. This is my favorite part.
Let's go. Strategy 1,
Live commentary. Narrate your life out loud. Present tense, real time. Face push-ups for your mouth.
Strategy 2,
Voice journaling. One question, record your answer, listen back. Be your own coach.
Strategy 3,
English reaction. Watch anything, respond to it in English. Stop translating, start reacting.
Strategy 4,
Repeat and twist. Steal a pattern from real English, make it yours. Build fluency.
Strategy 5,
The daily window. 15 focused minutes, same time every day. Consistency is everything.
and our vocabulary from today's English Audio Lab session?
Commitment. Keeping a promise to yourself regularly. Self-conscious. Feeling nervous about how others see or hear you. Analytical. Examining something carefully like a scientist. Pattern. A reusable structure in language. Fluency. Speaking smoothly without getting stuck. Consistency. Doing something regularly without big gaps. Analogy. A comparison that helps explain something. Discipline. Showing up even when you don't feel like it.
8 words, all learned through natural conversation. No boring lists, no flashcards, just English the way it actually sounds. That's the English Audio Lab difference.
Before we go, our question for you today.
Leave a comment below and tell us 2 things. 1, which of these 5 strategies are you starting with? And 2, what time of day is going to be your daily window?
Morning person? Evening person? Lunch break? Tell us. We read every single comment.
Thank you so much for being in the lab with us today. You already did something most learners skip. You listened. Now add your voice. That's the missing piece.
15 minutes, starting today.
See you in the next session. Keep listening.
Keep speaking. English Audio Lab.